Hey guys, it's me, Mariah, and I'm gonna see if y'all think my puppy's cute or not. Well, if you think yes, the comments below, put yes. If you think no, comments below, put no. So here we go. Okay.
Hey, this is me and my sister Dog, and I'm Mariah's twin sister, Milan. So, hey.
Okay.
And this is Dog.
Ignore her. Now just see my dog.
It's my dog, too. See? Isn't he adorable? This is a cute little puppy.
See.
So cute.
Oh, I didn't miss that. Okay, we might want to show y'all guys. So.